beautiful. Who are you wearing?
Prada.
Oh, yeah. It's a great outfit. You want to get a fashion show, buddy?
Thank you.
It's great boots, too.
Thank you.
Also Prada?
No, Costume National.
Okay, right on. They're awesome.
Thank you.
What is it that you love about Tiffany jewelry?
What is there not to love about Tiffany jewelry? I think Tiffany jewelry is probably whatever age you come in contact with fine jewelry is usually probably through the blue box in some way. You know, whether or not you see it on TV or in a magazine, or whether you're lucky enough to see it in person. I think that there's a particular brand of magic that accompanies that, and I think that everyone in my family has always been very enamored by that color box if it comes your way.
You think there's something about that box, regardless of what's inside. That,
Exactly.
You see that there's certain expectations.
Exactly.
You think the legacy of the store was cemented by the film Breakfast at Tiffany's?
You know, I would imagine it's certainly immortalized. You know, as far as filmically, sure.
Is there a favorite piece of jewelry that you've gotten from Tiffany's?
My dad gave me a ring that's in the silver collection. That's the O. That's the Endless Circle of Love O, and I love that very much, and I think it's very special that he gave that to me.
The Endless Circle of Love. That's very sweet. What are you working on now?
Right now I'm doing a play on Second Stage Theater right now called Suburbia. So tonight's my night off. My one night off.
Like Suburbia, the movie?
Yeah, Eric Bogosian.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, that's exciting. Maybe I'll check that out.
All right. We got one more week, so come down soon.
Perfect.
Can you sit down here in front of the backdrop?
Don't worry.
Right here.
No, you don't.
Right here, please. Keep going. Right here. Give it there.